garage, I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to test 12 volt current on your vehicle, and we're going to use two different methods. One of them is going to be the multimeter, set the voltage. And the other one is going to be how to test it using an electrical screwdriver tester. And I'll show you how to use that as well. So let's get started. Now, being able to test voltage is very important when you're working on your vehicle, because that will determine if whatever part you're going to replace, if it should be getting the 12 volt current, you can test it to make sure that the current is in fact getting to that item before you go ahead replacing stuff. At that point, you can then start the process of elimination, and you can see, okay, if the current's getting there, then maybe the part is bad, then you can move on to the next method of testing. But the main thing you always want to test is make sure current is coming to that particular part or item before you go any further. So we're going to start here. I just have a standard, this is just a standard 12 volt power that's coming in to power one of the radiator fans. I've gone ahead and unplugged it so I can show you how we're going to test it and how we can tell whether current's coming through or not. The first one we're going to use is the multimeter. So what you're going to want to do is you want to turn it to 20 volts. So we'll go ahead and switch that over. So that's on 20. That way it'll measure the 12 volts. The first thing that you'll need to do is identify the wires here. On this particular power right here, the blue is your 12 volt power in, the black is your ground. So what you'll do is you'll take the red and you'll attach it right here to the 12 volt. And then we'll take the black, we'll ground it. And if this current is coming through correctly, we should see 12 or 13 volts appear. Let's go ahead and put that in here. Make sure that you make contact with the leads. And there you go. You'll see here that we're getting around 13.2 volts. So we know that power is coming through here the way it should. So that's perfect. So whatever device is connected, if it's not working, then we know that that is the actual device that's the problem, because we know that power is getting to it. To use the electric tester screwdriver, what you're going to want to do is the tip of the screwdriver, the point, is what you're going to connect to the 12 volt power, and then you're going to use the clip here to ground it. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to ground this first. So we're going to bring it here. Make sure you get a good connection. Let's see if we can ground that good. It's got to make contact. Okay, so that's connected. That's been grounded, so now when we make contact, you'll see the green LED bulb coming on inside of the screwdriver handle, letting us know that the 12 volt power, the current is coming through good. So we know that this particular connection right here is good. So at that point, you would then move on to troubleshoot whatever else. If you're still not getting anything working, at least we know that the 12 volts of power is coming through fine. All right, well, that pretty much wraps up this video for today on how to test 12 volt current in your vehicle. As always, like I mentioned before, always test that before changing out any parts. Make sure that current's even getting to it, because in a lot of cases, people change out parts, and meanwhile, there's something with the current not even getting to the part, and the part wasn't really damaged. So always test that first. That way you can start the process of elimination. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and please send any questions and any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all of the support. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.